I'm Ben MacAskill. I'm the Chief Operating Officer at SmugMug, where I've worked for more than 16 years, helping photographers share their work with the world and sometimes realizing their dream of owning their own photography business. Building a profitable website is one of the most important aspects of your photography business. You can't get enough business, handle enough business, make enough money just running it out of your living room without any other interface for your customers. Selfishly, I recommend SmugMug. We've been building this photography platform for 17 years now, catering especially to professional photographers. The most important thing is to start building your brand. Get yourself a custom domain. Think of what you want your photography business to be called, and then start creating a gorgeous landing page. This is where the world will come to see you and make their first impressions of your photography. It's critically important for any photographer who wants to make a business to have their portfolio, show the style of work you do, especially if you have multiple styles, show that you are good enough to shoot their wedding or shoot their portraits or whatever it is that you desire to be shooting. You need to show your samples. They need to be accessible. A lot of people will spend a lot of time evaluating your work before ever reaching out and making contact.